Hello, my name is Brian David Narvaez Osorio. I am in my third semester of university, which is my second year at Wadi. I study public accounting. My career is about understanding money, taxes, and job companies manage their finances. I am learning accounting, financial reports, auditing, and some legal aspects relate to tax. In the future, I would like to become a tax accountant or work in the legal area of accounting. Mm, I am special interested in job accounting connected con law and tax. In my ideal job, I will prepare tax reports, analyze financial information, and help companies follow tax rules correctly. I would also like to work with lawyers and financial advisors. I would, per- sorry, I would like to around 20,000 supermom working from Monday to Friday about um, in office or hybrid job. My ideal company would have my benefits like medicals, insurance, bonus, and paid vacation. That is my future career goal. Thank you for watching.